We got huge clearance at the Home Depot. This is a killer season. There's a whole bunch of tools. Alright, so don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Most likely you end up probably running into these clearance deals. There's a whole bunch. Alright, to start here, this is a sale they got going on. $1.99 for the two saws. And then $1.99 for the blower and string trimmer for Ryobi. Great for the home, but we're going to see some better deals right now. Alright, got some attachments here on clearance for $49, down from $119. It's a string trimmer attachment. You got blower and string trimmer combo for $198, down from $229, so about, $32 off for three. $149 down from $199. This is an 8 amp hour high output battery and a 3 amp hour high output battery. Definitely recommend these. These are great deals. Definitely nice batteries. And then you got the clearance section here. You got some nice for the garage. Some, if you guys want to run some extension cords for lighter duty use. $2, very inexpensive. And then you got the DeWalt cell phone accessory kit or kits. Different iPhone and Samsung stuff like that. Got a nice switch here. Maybe you could use it for lighter duty power tools. $99 then from $179, 40 volt Gen 2 edge trimmer. And then you got some attachments here to the right. $99 for the tin tiller and brush cutter for $49, down from, we did see this at the other side. You got the 16-in-3 yellow jacket trouble light, $10. And then you got a double surge Pro 6 outlets for $10. And some smart devices. So you got Wise, the doorbell and chime, $13, down from $64. Killer clearance on these guys. This is a whole wall of power tools on clearance, including this. This one's down to $400, down from $499. This is a 7-tool combo kit, M18. Yes, it's not the fuel, but still you're getting a whole bunch of tools. Check out these batteries. These are 12 amp hour, 3 for $240, down from $299. You got another deal here for the angle grinder for $240. This does include a high output battery for $299. And then you got the reciprocating saw with the forged battery. Oh, these are all forged batteries, guys. Now this is all the forged batteries. So that's a good deal on those. You got the 1/2-inch hammer drill for $67. Bare tool. You got the battery there for, I believe, $49. Down from $99. Yes, $49. Circular saw for $149. And then to the right, you got the starter kit for $81 with the 4 and a 2 amp hour battery. Down from $179. That's not bad at all. If you kind of stock up on those batteries. 1/2-inch impact wrench, $98. Down from $139. That's really nice. And then $140, down from $199 for the Atomic 3/8 ratchet, guys. This is the DeWalt ratchet, one of the newer ones. It does come with that power stack oil resistant battery, the black one. You got this is the blower for $79, down from $189 to only. 18 volt 4-piece combo kit for $215, down from $429. Does include a hammer drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, and looks like 2 batteries. Table saw, guys. Table saw is also a new lower price, or was $399 down to $360. $40 off on that one. $196 for this miter saw. It's a 12-inch double bevel, and then you got a double bevel 12-inch slider for $359. You got a nail gun here for $299, down from $329. The 16-gauge angled finish nailer. Rear handle circular saw, or circ saw. This is $214, down from $259. It is a 60-volt flex bolt. And then you got the grinder, 60-volt grinder, $315, down from $349. You got the reciprocating saw for $315, down from $349. Those are all kits. They do come with flex bolt batteries. Killer deals. All right, so you spend 500, save 150, spend 400, save 100, spend 300, save 50. Obviously, the 500 is going to get you the best deal. You guys are able to hack these. Obviously, if you return the tools, you get to keep the other at the discounted price. You don't get nothing for free. You get it at a discounted price. That's what you get. All right, so and then you got some safety stuff here. Safety glasses, $22.97 for the 3-pack. These are really nice. You get some tubing cutters, some copper, and then some reciprocating saw blades, $27.97. And then you got a hammer there for $27.97 as well. A fastback utility knife, 6-in-1, $14.97. That's really nice. And then you got a 14-in-1 screwdriver bit driver, $14.97. And guys, I'm talking about clearance, and they're back there. I'll show you guys what's up right now after I go over these deals for you guys. All right, so we got $139. This is the XR pruning saw, the 8-inch, and then you got a pruner for $89. These are great for the yard. If you guys have those batteries, make sure you guys use those batteries on all your duties, not just work, and obviously at home too. $159 for the Max brushless powered string trimmer. So $159 for that. Not too bad. 14-inch folding string trimmer. If it folds, it's gonna get you a better storage space. $159 for this blower. All right, so there's an XR, and then you got the string edge trimmer, 22-inch edge trimmer. This one's $159 as well. So it's battery powered edge trimmer, 20-volt max. Really nice. And then you got a pressure washer. This is 3100 psi, $479 for this one. Gas pressure washer, 2.3 gallons per minute. It says medium duty, so these are powered by Honda. I personally don't own a Honda engine. I would never go back to Briggs & Stratton. Or I could go back to electric, but not Briggs & Stratton. This is the clearance I was talking about. This is a killer of a smoking deal. Killer deal, however you want to say it. This is a really nice deal. This is a flex bolts, 60 bolts, string trimmer, and blower kit for $199, guys, down from $499. These things are, that's a lot of savings. I mean, it's cheaper than what else is in here on sale. It does include a 9 amp hour flex bolt battery with I don't know if that's a fast charger or not. Looks like a regular charger, but still, that 9 amp hour battery is worth it by itself. It's worth even more than $199. All right, so $321 was $429 for this mower. This is a Toro 22-inch smart toe, Briggs & Stratton engine. This is another mower here with a really nice self-propelled model here for $299. Was $399. This is a killer deal on this one as well. I would definitely wait for these to drop, but check this out. Here's an even lower price with the self-propelled mower bagger for $279. Those are really good deals. I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop even lower. A lot of people are not buying those. They want electric. You got a 2-tool combo kit, $219. Not too bad, but just for smaller yards. Keep that in mind. Really small yards for that. A 450 CFM blower for $99, and then you got a full-size mower, bare bone type of mower, for $329. And just for a quick comparison, guys, for the price, it's $200 versus $349, guys. This is what they got on sale right now. So this only comes with the 4 amp hour battery. These are not even flexible tools, and they're just 20-volt tools XR. So just keep that in mind. How much money you're saving? $219 a piece. That's a lot of money you're saving with that $189 deal. All right, so $699 for the dual battery mower or the dual battery string trimmer. That string trimmer looks like a beast. It's huge. All right, so $49 for the accessories here, and $39 for this long reach flexible micro. So these are great, guys. If you guys are on the trades, if you guys do AC work and all that, you need to clean for your mobile detailers, for just cleaning around the shop, or if you guys got some sort of car service business. That's a nice device there for the drywall. And then you got a tool bag here down to 23, down from 24. So it's not, you're not saving a lot, but still pretty good deal. You are getting two toolbox or tool bags, one for the plumbing, one for the electrician. If you guys do your own work at home. All right, buy more, save more. $2.99 save 90. Spend $1.99 save 50. Obviously, the $2.99 is gonna get you the best bang for your buck. And these are hackable as well. Should be hackable. And then you got this huge toolbox, or yeah, basically. Check this thing out. This thing's massive. It's not the cheapest, but it is really. If you got the money, I would definitely invest in something like this. You can raise and lower the top through that. The handles, just the inside. They took off the handle so people won't be messing with it. But yeah, looks really nice. Double bearing drawers. Self-closing. Really nice, guys. Yes, lots of good deals, guys. And like I said, I did not even go over all the deals. Maybe we'll go over some of the new ones or some of the other ones next week. Don't make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.